Introducing Gen 3 Tyre and Alloy Wheel Plus, insurance for your vehicle. Repairs to your alloy wheels are costly and can affect the value of your vehicle, and claiming through your car insurance is usually not an option. Gen 3 Tyre and Alloy Wheel cover is designed not only to protect you against unforeseen events such as accidental or malicious damage, but will also help to maintain that showroom finish. The key benefits are: it maintains the appearance of your vehicle, no unexpected tyre repair bills, it covers accidental or malicious damage, it covers curb scuffing and maintains resale value, covers blowouts, punctures and vandalism, and policies can be up to 36 months. Available for new and used vehicles, and covers all vehicles up to 3,500 kilograms. There are policies to protect cars and motorcycles. Ask your dealer about Gen 3 Tyre and Alloy Wheel Plus to see how you can avoid those costly tyre and alloy wheel repair costs.